us another good week to deliver our promises and proper service delivery to you, our bosses. As a government, we promised transparency and integrity in all our doings, which we will continue doing by all and any means necessary. As the governor stated, every afternoon is dedicated to visiting you in making sure that service and leadership is delivered to our people at the grassroots. Today, our governor held a consultative meeting between the office of the governor, the controller of budget, the office of the speaker of the county assembly. The meeting was chaired by the controller of budget, CPA Dr. Margaret Nyakago. This meeting was held to discuss the demands by county assembly to have a ward development fund. The meeting resolved the following. Number one, there will be no ward development fund as was demanded by MCAs because their demand is not anchored anywhere in any law. Number two, both the executive and the county assembly needs to work together, but with each other and each arm of the government sticking to their mandate and functions. The executive to come up with regional balanced projects per ward through public participation. MCAs can participate in these public participations as members of respective communities and should not dictate what projects should be included in this list. The Office of the Controller of Budget will do a report on the discussions and submit the report to both parties for implementations. Present in these meetings was the CEC Finance, CPA, Monica, Speaker of the County Assembly, and Leader of Majority, among others. It is our hope that this will end the differences that has been there between the executive arm of government and the county assembly. Last Friday, that was November 4th, then the Deputy Governor, Reverend Mutuman Toidingia, joined the Meru High Court in a tree planting exercise at River Kanyoru, culminating in an environment awareness campaign. The exercise also included a cleaning exercise of Meru Town in partnership with the school children. The Deputy Governor stated that the county government of Meru, in partnership with Kenya Wildlife Services, will be at the forefront in conducting various tree planting exercises within the county to help address the issues of climate change and protect the water catchment areas. He also requested that all eucalyptus trees planted along riverbanks to be felled and replaced by more water-friendly trees. On the same day, the Deputy Governor also visited Baria, Bori Sub-County, where he commissioned a team of farmers to go to South Korea and learn more about potato farming. The team is comprised of members from all parts of Meru County. On Tuesday, the governor visited Mikombone, Nkwene Ward, where she had a meeting with the coffee farmers. The governor delivered checks of more than Kenya shillings 11 million to Mikombone Coffee Society to purchase farm inputs, since agriculture is a devolved function. Governor Kawira Mwangaza promised to prioritize reviving coffee farming in Meru County as it is the backbone of our economy. Our good people, on Wednesday, 3 cabinet nominees approved by the county assembly were sworn in into their offices. These nominees include Monica Kadhiori Kadhono, who assumed the office of CEC for Finance and Economic Planning. Dickson Munene is the CEC for Public Service, Legal Affairs and Administration. Joseph Duranera assumed the office of CEC for Education, Science, Culture, ICT and Arts Development. To promote seamless service delivery to the people of Meru, Governor Kawira Mwangaza has reorganized the county departments as follows. The county departments have been reduced to 6 from 10. The Deputy Governor, Reverend Isaac Mutuma Ntoithingia, will lead the Department of Health Services in an acting capacity. Monica Kadhiori Kadhono will also be in charge of lands, physical planning, public works, and urban development in an acting capacity. Dickson Munene will oversee agriculture, livestock development, fisheries, water, irrigation, climate change, environment, and natural resources. This is in acting capacity. Idana Duranera will also be in charge of youth, sports, gender, and social development in an acting capacity. Further, the governor has proposed 2 names to the County Public Service Board for consideration as chief advisors appointees to the county government of Meru in the following capacity. Dr. George Kekunda Mungania as the chief political advisor, lands, wellness, trade, and physical planning. Dr. Kiambi Adhero is the chief economic, water, agriculture, climate change, disaster management advisor. Great people, in our government, action and service delivery is the game changer. On the same day, our governor commissioned the construction of 150 million litre dam at Soboiga, which will serve Soboiga, Ntumbori, and other surrounding areas. This project will cost Kenya shillings 40 million and run for 24 weeks. The project is being done in partnership with Lewa Conservancy, Kisima Farm Limited, and the neighboring communities through the RUA. The governor proceeded to Central Menti, where she issued a check of more than Kenya shillings 3.6 million to Gigoshua Coffee Society, Ruang Kware, and Mwangadhia. She emphasized that the county government will enhance agricultural productivity through strategic investment in our cash crops. Finally, our good people, our manifesto's third pillar was to facilitate the administrators to enhance quality and efficient service delivery to our people. Yesterday, through our maiden speech, our governor, in meeting the administrators, she assured that there will be no victimization to any person who stood in support of their governor or who they supported during the previous general election. Her Excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza promised the people, and especially our administrators, that she will not victimize any person who supported any candidate who was opposing her. Other measures that Her Excellency declared during this said meeting, there will be adequate facilitation to enable the administrators to move easily within the areas of jurisdiction. Number 2, all the malicious transfers that had been done to punish the administrators with a different opinion should be reverted with immediate effect. Number 3, training for all the administrators to enable them to have technical ability to enable them handle government government affairs will be financed with immediate effects. Also, Her Excellency was requested by the administrators that some of them do not serve the wards they come from. So Her Excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza gave a directive. Each and every administrator should go back to the ward of origin so that they can serve the ward they know best. Kwa hivyo kwa administrators wote, Governor Kawira Mwangaza alisikia malalamishi yenu na akasema ya kwamba kama wewe uko kwa ward ambayo haujatoka, urudi ile ward umetoka, kwa sababu hiyo ward ndio unajua mashida ya hiyo ward. Kwa hivyo sisi kama serikali ya county government tuna support hii directive, kwa sababu ward administrators wataserve zile ward ambazo wametoka. So to our good people, that is our brief press briefing. We endeavor to inform you on all the actions and all the directives that are given by our governor and the Meru County government. Thank you very much and God bless you. Asanteni sana. Babende Marieta ni wakili Hillary Sandi Our mwario munene wa thirikari ya Meru County naru atogwatanirite na babwe ora twaikire werane njuma chionde da 10 tukera tukibwira ora thirikari ya Excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza ithithetie na ore bangite mibangire yao ki antu ba Meru County kiumia kija kuruka na specifically narua Governor Kawira Mwangaza netere naria ukari na muchairman jo munene na control of budget. Muchairman jojo jwejete onto ma MCA jeto ne batwire bakira alamika na bakireta ndware chete ku tokeni aja Meru County bakiuga Governor Kawira Mwangaza atakwenda kubanenkera ira yitawa Ward Development Fund. Kwa hivyo Governor Kawira Mwangaza na andikira baruga araromba control of budget edra akimwa mawaidha edra akimwa advice ikenda omba kumenya kedra Ward Development Fund ici amejana akedra agwita kiutate na ura sheria ikuga kwa naura control of budget na ugire utegintu ta Ward Development Fund control of budget na ugire utegintu ta Ward Development Fund control of budget augire ate gintu kira kirio ni ward projects icho kirio na ward projects ira chibwere kwejanwa ni Governor Kawira Mwangaza na uga nkoroki MCA babweri kwijara ke ward ira bakodithia ira yeta wa public participation bakauga nara projects ira chejete na batejete ara tama MCA batejete kodithia ira yeta oversight bejete area ta kariba wa diu ku contribute kera yeta wa public participation na gukorokeria rware jojo kana rwaria ro control of budget na ugira akandika report ira tukanenkerwa na ugo mukari wa Meru tukomba gukwira kira control of budget ugira nikyo halali na kira giti halali kwa kumaanisha Governor Kawira Mwangaza all through na ararongamina sheria na ararongamina ora abweri go karia kana Kameru thire na umaru tererura roma MCA barabarenda manto ja giteka urathirikare ira chikurukite chiraitangugi kuwa to kwenda kuga kana Kameru gakaretwe control of budget na ugire mbecho reri ya chikejanwa na itogwetikia ora gavana wetu excellence Kawira Mwangaza augire mbecha chigeta mashinani ikenda che support project ira che nara mashinani no control of budget support re augane gavana ukauga project ira chigeta nara mashinani na gavana wetu na ugite aga support project nara mashinani kou kana Kameru ukaugoe na ugwa gavana Kawira Mwangaza na abokaretie na akabwitira ngugi ora abwirire akabwitira ngugi ntuko ya juma taikinya mweri jojo November deputy governor Reverend Mutuma Ntoidingia amwena Meru High Court barani afisa abeto ba county ne bare are Kanyuru bakianda amiti ije project ira ije te onto antobeto ba Meru ne boronere twina dina ya mazingara tutina miti tutina mbura na climate ya Meru County ni kwa affected ko deputy governor wetu atomini governor Kawira Mwangaza ni bambirire project ya kwanda miti na tukuromba akaribonde ba Meru ni tujike project ya kwanda miti hii project yetu ireka tutederia kuimprove mazingira ya Meru County ntuku ya Jumaine Governor Kawira Mwangaza na aremikombone Nkwene ward na ntukuira Governor Kawira Mwangaza nombere kueja na cheki cha milioni 11 million tumikombone Coffee Society becha ichi chiga tumira ne society iria kumba kugura machine kumba kubategeria ikenda tumba kuokeria urimi bwakawa dene ya Meru County twinde ni tuije urimi bwakawa ne bware ira itawana na lugha ya kimonimoni backbone ya economy ya Meru County tuko ya Jumatano excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza na kujirire kunywa muma jwa mawaziri badatu baraba kurukerwe ni county assembly ya Meru kintu kya kurigaria ni county assembly ya Meru ne gwethiria na beto mugwanja baraba inguge ni excellence Kawira Mwangaza bakurukia mawaziri badatu mawaziri baraba kurukerwe ni Monica Kaiviori Kadhono uroka rungamira Rwangiro Ambecha bakurukia Munene Dickson uroka rungamira Rwangiro Sheria na bakurukia waziri uroka rungamira Manto ja Kidhomo urogo ito Joseph Duranira omita na ara rutererwa igembe manto jaje itaturigaretia onto kema waziri 10 ne badatu wake bombere ukurukia ende jaja jatagutuma excellency Bishop Kawira Mwangaza are mogwita ngugi ira Ameru bamwete Governor Kawira Mwangaza nara reducere karanara didereta ira itawana lugha ya kimonimoni reorganization auga gisheria anenkanirete mawaziri 10 bakugwetha batigara balatu auga kari organize I make sure akwethira ina departments ithandatu kuma 10 achichokia chethiro ithandatu auga number 1 munini wawe Deputy Governor Reverend Isaac Mutuma Ntoidingia akarungamira Rwangi Rogima manto ja sibitare manto ja ndawa manto jonde ja kwendekia manto jogima ja mwiri auga Reverend Mutuma Ntoidingia urawe munini wawe akarungamira manto jau auga waziri ororongamite sheria in acting capacity kwethirwa uwakurangamirite kwa muda fulani kiruga ire kimonimoni Dickson Munene akarungamira manto ja urimi akarungamira manto na samaki akarongamira manto na ndoje, akarongamira manto na irrigation, akarongamira manto na climate change, akarongamira manto na environment, na amwarongamira manto na natural resources in acting capacity. Augadiranira urorangamira tarwangiro wa kidomo, akarongamira in acting capacity manto na youth, manto na michezo, manto na gender, na manto na social development. Nkoroki Governor Kawira Mwangaza na appointed Dr. George Gekunda Mungania a chief political advisor manto na lands, manto na wellness, manto na wendia, manto na physical planning. Auga Daktari Kiambiadero the chief economic advisor kemantoja ndoje, agriculture, climate change and disaster management. Antoba Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza akonyuithia antobara muma arongamirite ni mawakili baraba ingogeu na umero ntuko eu eta soboiga ara a commissioner construction ya dam era ina 150 million liter dam ara soboiga dam era iga sabanto ba soboiga ichoke sabanto ba ntumburi ichoke sabanto ba matunda na antobonde baraba sarondete area Nkoroki project erera ekaria kana igatumira mbecha chia Nkoroki ya million 40 na dam ere kadidwa within 24 months. Project eje edidwe in partnership na Antobara Balewa Conservancy, Kisima Farm Limited na neighboring community. Antoba community tukwenda kubocha ukeri nkadho sana Antobabu bobo aejanira miunda yenu ikenda dami yomba kwa area soboiga. Governor wetu atakirerera au netere sentimenti ara aejanire cheki cha Nkoroki ya million idhato 3.6 million atikigocho Coffee Society Rwankware and Mwangathia. Governor naugire na kwenda gukiria manto na urimi na gusupport urimu bakauga ikenda mugongo jwa kana Meru jomba gukira. Governor Kawira Mwangaza naugire akaempower aritingogie Badirikare County ko wegoro ma MCA bagweta muchemano ara residents ya governor kana resident ya Meru County antobeto torikane governors residents netayo tukimiona naya na example kana tukikompare na kiluga ere kimonimoni. Governors residents ni equivalent to president's residence. Netuije resident ya president ni state house, netuije resident ya deputy president ara Karen. Kwa uto ya Meru governors residence neta state house na mechairman yo era president adidaya na abunge amedhiga area state house. Kwa Governor Kawira Mwangaza na arete tama MCA beto ki state house ya Meru County. MCA bararegera kweja bogana bena shughuli na nguge mwanya na barega kweja area na badenjiri na Governor ena werane na bona ugita akaedro akiara na area nabo. Kwa Governor akuona MCA bakoraga kweja au gakete aitinguge ba county onto irio bya Meru betinyanga eta ward administrators na muchamano joro jura dongi. Governor na rombere kwaraniria na administrators bara aigwa madina jao administrators bara beto bate kumenyekane ni ananchi onto dirikari ira chikorokeza cha county chite bara eja inya ire kwendeka ikenda bomba guitanguge urako batere administrators beto ibarere governor batena ngare cha kuma location gweta location inge ikenda bomba guitanguge urako batere boga kinyaba tena facilitation ni edimo kuomba kuringa dimo bate kuomba onto bate kona mbecha boga kinyiba kolak basic training ya kuomba ko ben power bomba kwedura be fit for purpose ikugatiri ora ndegore gweta kigaruka boga bate kumba kwithirwa bena training ire kumba kubatethera ikenda bomba kwithirwa bakemenya migaruko ya nthiguru. Ko gavana wetu kuchinja na kumba kubatetheria ikenda bomba gwita ngugi ura kubatere na ejanira directives ta governor wa Meru County. Number 1, araugire onto administrators bai bakuga bena thina kuma location kuma ingi bena thina kuria guarantee ke wadira bare. Gavana araugire administrator na choke wadira umite kethera ugo umite Imenti East choka Imenti East, kethera umite Bure East choka Bure East, kethera umite Igembe Central choka Igembe Central, wachoka wadine ku ugo kethera kemenya mathina ja wadira as opposed to ugo uringi transfer ke wadira ti kumenya. Ko gavana araugire administrators ne bachoke wadine chiao onto ibo bakumenya ward iraba umite. Number 2, gavana naugire kwari na transfer cha thithiro ma administrators bamwe onto kwithirwa batagwate na ira na atongeria bathirikari ira yareo. Ko gavana araugire uti mtu ukaringwa transfer giutate na sheria, mtu akaringwa transfer kuringana na ore batere ende sheria ithingatirĩtwe. Ko gavana akiemphasize na akiuga mtu nachoke wadine ira augire barabaringire transfer giutate na sheria ni bachokwe araba batere ikenda bomba gwitira kana Kameru ngugi urakubatere. Ngoroki gavana na araigirwo request ya administrators bara uraba kuge bakwenda kuthithirwa training na gavana auga ni kawaida kithirikari officers bonde bathirikari bethero bakithithirwa training ire komba go sharpen ire komba kunora skills chao ikenda bomba ku deliver ke mwananchi wa Meru. Kira gavana akwenda gakwenda mwananchi wa Meru omba kwithirwa na gwitira ngugi urakubatere. Ko gavana na aragiro kirero kira na uga aritibara bangugi bakomba kwithirwa bakithithirwa training ire kwendeka kenda bomba gwita ngugi ura kubatere. Kuruki gavana wetu na araugire na kwenda gwitaniria ngugi na atongeria bonde ba Meru. Gavana wetu na wendo na antu bonde ba Meru. Gavana wetu na wondo na atongeria bonde ba Meru. Kira gavana wetu gakuromba gakuga mutongeria kira uthurirwo kwa MCA ritangugie kwe kuthithia sheria gutega thirikari kethera ni gwitangugie kuringana na sheria na kuripoti ke mwananchi urakubatere legislation, representation and offering what we call in layman's language checks and balances. Ndikyo gitumi gavana wetu akuromba na kuinyia guku nene mirango wewe ni rugorike ma MCA bonde, mirango wewe ni rugorike atongeria bonde, mirango wewe ni rugorike anto bonde ba Meru ikenda bomba kwithiribo ku mwama waitha na ikenda omba na kumba kuboitira ngugi urakubatere. Rujo tukethirwa twina muchemano jo munene ara Meru Stadium ire kwitwa beautification na lugha ya kimonimoni kanisa ya Katholiki ikethirwa na misa hii nene sana area Meru Stadium. Thirikari county government itanairia ngugi na kanisa chionde. Thirikari county government ya Meru itina ndoa na kanisa iko kana iriko. Excellency Governor Kawira Mwangaza ni bishop na supporta kanisa chionde na onto babu gavana wetu akethirwa ara Meru Stadium. Gavana wetu atena ndoa na kanisa ya Catholic. Gavana wetu naendete kanisa ya Catholic. Gavana wetu na go support kanisa ya Catholic. Gavana wetu naendete ashirika bonde ba kanisa ya Catholic. Ko baraba kwenda kureta siasa onto bamunda jora jome MYS ato kwenda kubwera tafuteni jambo lingine, kwa sababu gavana wetu ako na upendo na kanisa ya Catholic na Catholic tubwire na arwa na twina hakikisho gavana wetu na abwendete na ikyo gitumi akethirwa ara rusho na anto bange bonde baraba kwenda kureta siasa duni bakiuga gavana na arumire kanisa ya Catholic. Twina clip twina kanda cha michibi au iracho kuona ni gavana wetu kira orerie ni munda jwa MYS jora jwa thithirwo kiutate na sheria. Kwa hivyo kwa Wakatoliki wote, washirika wote wa Katoliki, viongozi wote wa Katoliki kwa na wale ambao wanaabudu kwa kanisa ya Katoliki, tunawapenda sana. Nyinyi ni wakazi wa Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza anawapenda kupita kipimo ambacho kinaonekana. Kila ambacho tunaomba ni wanasiasa waache kuleta siasa kwa dini ya Kikatoliki. Na sisi tutakuwa pale kesho tukethirwara Kinoru Stadium kukungwira na kuona mantu jaraja kuendelea onto ituonoki na ituendete kanisa chietu chithirwa chikita urakubatere. Nini mwario munene wa thirikari county government Hillary Sandi gwethirwa na ugoro bobwega. Asante sana.